So today is going to be my unboxing of my Boxycham. This is July's Boxycham. It came a little banged up. I have no idea. I'm hoping everything's still in here because it is. I can see stuff in here. It's like dented here and here. Anyway, who knows what's going on with Canada Post these days, but yeah. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. And if you guys are not new, welcome back and thank you so much for joining us. And if you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting all the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So you could watch fun stuff like crazy dented boxes. Anywho, all right.
When I'm holding you in my arms, you know this life isn't for me. Let's get married in Vegas.
So let's just dive right into this and see what I have received. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's also a little bit flatter this way than normal. So let's just, okay, in here is a coupon for, I think it's Elemis. And then this month, this is what it looks like for the Boxycham, and it's au naturel, which, you know, we all know what that means. Oh, I didn't grab my phone. Shit. Okay. All right, so first off, well, I'll just do that one first since apparently everything just, yep, wants to keep flying out of this box. This is from Luxie, and they changed the packaging for Luxie, I think. I'm not sure, unless it's just this one that's from Luxie. This is a 3-brush set, and in here are brushes. So these are what the brushes look like here. This here is wood, and it's just slightly like varnished wood. It feels like wood. In here is a foundation brush, a large blending brush, and like a little brush. And they are a precision crease brush, obviously a foundation brush, and this one is a large eye blending brush is what they're called. So the brush set is $30, which is roughly the kind of the prices that Luxie brushes are. I don't really use foundation brushes a lot, so I have seen a lot of people using this to apply another item in here, so I'll probably will be using it for the same thing. And my box totally just busted. This is what I was talking about. This is I think it's called Elemis. I'm not too sure what exactly the name is, but this is a Superfood Vital veggie mask, and it's for advanced skincare. So I don't know if it's picking up. Oh, there it is. This is slightly green. I have seen other people use it, and I'm very excited that this was in the box. It smells, oh, wow. It smells very clean. I don't know how to describe what that actually smells like. On the pamphlet, it says, get a shot of green goddess with this treatment mask that nourishes, I can't say that word properly, smooths and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. This is a $35 mask. Okay, so that is what it's looking like on my skin. It's a touch green, but it's super not like crazy green. I'm kind of excited to try that. And then I'm just gonna do this. All right, so in here is a Butter London eyeshadow palette. It's a very nice outer packaging. I really think it's cute. This palette is a $32 palette, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. So it's got the mirror, and then it's got, this is what it looks like. So normally I would do a swatch for you, but I am not going to swatch this palette at all. This is also called Natural Goddess. The reasoning I am not going to be swatching it for you is because I'm not keeping this palette. I saw it online. I knew it was something that was coming. I was really excited for something from Butter London, and then when I actually saw the eyeshadows in it, I thought a bit different about it. I don't really love palettes that have mostly frosts. All 4 of these are frosts, and these 2 are mattes. And honestly, I never ever wear blue. I have decided that it is something that I really don't look good with on my face, so I don't wear blue. And the fact that I will never use this green color, and the fact that I'll never use this, and then there's only one other matte in this whole palette, I personally will not use it, and there's no point in me keeping something in my makeup collection that I won't ever touch. So I'll either give it to a friend or do something with it, but that is it. And so up next, I'm just gonna grab this here, and of course it has one of these stupid things on it. I hate these so much. Honest to goodness, I don't understand. I should just stick them in a box. Okay. Yep, okay. Yep, that's life. Okay. Alright, we'll just do that. Okay, and then this is a eyeliner, right? Eyeliner? Yeah, gel liner. This is from Appeal, and that is what it looks like there. That is obviously the color. This eyeliner is $21. Yeah, okay. I don't know if I'll ever spend $21 on a brown eyeliner. It is very smooth, though. That is what it looks like on my skin. It looks a bit patchy, which I don't... yeah. I don't really use kohl liners or things like this very often. I really don't reach for things like this, so I'm gonna put it probably in a Shop My Stash and see if I end up using it. If I don't, then I will give it to a friend. And last in this box is from Ofra, and this is what it looks like here. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Santorini. I think it's called Santorini. This is a $20 lipstick, and we have gotten a few Ofra lipsticks lately. I do know the other boxes have an Alamar lipstick in it, and I was kind of hoping for that one because I'm really like Alamar, but that's okay. I will take Ofra. Let's just do a swatch of this one. This is very, very pink, and I don't, oh, it's like fuchsia. Oh, yeah. So that is what it looks like. That is going to be very, very bright. I would have to definitely use that with a very nude eye. Well, I don't hate it, but I don't know how often I'm going to wear that color. So we shall see. All right, so this month's box, I got variation number 7. So this month's box actually totals via American Standard. It would be $28. So that's actually not too bad. They're bringing their prices up a little bit. I have complained a little bit, not to them, but here, about things like sometimes they were getting on the lower end of like the $100, especially for Canadians, because we have to spend money shipping and handling. Also with the exchange rate, the boxes tend to be like $40 with exchange rate and stuff like that. So if it's not like at least $100, then obviously, so yeah, this one was definitely worth it. I will end up using, well, at least the brushes, the lipstick, and the mask. I will try to use the liner. Well, that was everything for July's Boxycham. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!